Vikram Vedha movie summary in English. Let's begin. Vikram is an honest police inspector who has a black and white sense of good and evil. Vedha is a dreaded gangster who understands the nuances in between. Vikram's best friend Simon leads an encounter unit formed to eliminate Vedha. In one encounter, the squad kills some of Vedha's henchmen, framing an unarmed criminal killed by Vikram to avoid further inquiry. As the unit plans another encounter, Vedha enters the police station and voluntarily surrenders. When Vikram interrogates Vedha, he offers to narrate a story to him. The first act relates about Vedha becoming a drug smuggler, who warns his younger brother Vignesh, nicknamed Pulli, skilled, due to his exceptional mathematical skills, to stay away from crime, but Pulli is forced by a rival gangster Ravi to carry drugs. When Pulli and his friend Chandra are caught by the police, Pulli confesses and Ravi is arrested immediately. On his boss Sangu's orders, Ravi assaults Pulli, leaving a permanent scar on his hand. Vedha asks Vikram if he should kill Ravi or Sangu. Vikram replies that Sangu was the real culprit and that Ravi is just a weapon, to which Vedha wholeheartedly agrees and implies that he killed Sangu. Vedha's lawyer, who turns out to be Vikram's wife, Priya, intervenes and bails him out. Vikram realizes that the unarmed criminal framed by them, for avoiding inquiry, was actually Pulli, based on the mark in his hand. Worried that Vedha might try to kill Simon, Vikram rushes to save Simon, but finds him and Chandra shot dead. SP Surinder dismisses it as a botched encounter. Priya refuses to divulge Vedha's whereabouts to Vikram. Enraged by this, Vikram raids Vedha's tenements and manages to capture him. Vedha requests Vikram to listen to another story. The second story relates with Pulli, now grown up, offering to launder Vedha's income by investing it in shares. Vedha's boss Chutha invests ₹5 crore, equivalent to ₹7 crore or $20 in 2023, in this venture. However, Chandra is supposedly kidnapped and the money is missing. Chandra returns and reveals that she stole the money to start a new life, but came back because she loves Pulli. Vedha returns the money to Chutha, who orders him to kill Chandra. Vedha asks Vikram if he should respect Chutha and carry out the order or disobey him and support Pulli and Chandra, thus inciting a gang war. Vikram replies that he should support Pulli, to which Vedha agrees. Realizing Pulli's innocence causes Vikram to stumble momentarily, Vedha attacks and subdues him, telling him to investigate Simon and Pulli's deaths. Vikram begins his investigation with Simon's informant, Karte, who led them to Pulli's hideout, but finds that Karte has been killed. Vikram and his unit try to find the killer, where he takes a moment to recollect and finds one of the members of the Kerala quotation gang from Vedha's story. Vikram apprehends and fights him, only for the gang member to almost kill Vikram before getting shot and killed by his unit member Santhanam. Vikram searches his room, but finds a cigar and learns that the cigarette is filled with marijuana instead of tobacco. Vikram deduces that Ravi is behind the encounter and informs Vedha at his restaurant, who brings Ravi to an abandoned factory. Vikram arrives and meets Vedha, who tells Vikram the third and final act. Vedha had sent Pulli and Chandra to Mumbai. He noticed that only his men, except Chutha's, were being targeted and eliminated by the police. On Ravi's confession, Vedha says that Simon was bribed by Ravi to kill his men. Vedha asks Vikram if Simon was right, since he became corrupt to pay for his son's medical procedure. Vedha kills Ravi, leaving Vikram frustrated on finding out who had killed Simon. Surinder and the unit arrive, where he castigates Vikram for letting Vedha escape again. Vikram slowly realizes that the entire unit had also been bribed by Ravi. Surender reveals that Ravi paid them to kill Vedha, and Chandra's abduction was intended to get Pulli out of Mumbai, which would lure Vedha out of hiding. However, a guilt-ridden Simon had gone to save Chandra, but the unit had killed them both. As the unit prepares to kill Vikram, Vedha reappears and saves him. A gunfight ensues, and Vikram disables all his colleagues with Vedha's help, but kills Surender. Vikram asks Vedha if he should let him go for saving his life or kill him since he is a criminal. The film ends with a standoff between them.